Hello everyone, welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a professional and winning project manager resume, and we'll go step by step using a complete real example. I'm going to explain what this type of resume is, why each section is important, what you should write in each part, and I'll include the full sample throughout, so you can follow along easily and confidently. So first, what exactly is a project manager resume? A project manager resume is a professional document that highlights your ability to plan, organize, and successfully deliver projects. It focuses on leadership, communication, budgeting, problem solving, and your ability to manage teams and timelines. Employers want to see that you can handle responsibility, meet deadlines, and deliver results. That's why this type of resume must include measurable achievements, strong action words, and clear examples of how you've improved projects. Now let's break everything down step by step. Header and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. Here is the full sample. Daniel Foster, 4821 Maplewood Drive, Austin, Texas 78745, United States. Phone 512-5558-472. Email daniel.foster@email.com. LinkedIn linkedin.com/in/Daniel Foster. Now, what should you write here? You always begin with your full name, and it should stand out clearly at the top. This is the first thing employers see, so it needs to be easy to read and professional. Next, include your address, or at least your city and state. This gives employers a sense of your location, which can matter for job availability or relocation. Then, add your phone number and a professional email address. Make sure your email uses your real name. Avoid anything casual or unprofessional. Finally, include your LinkedIn profile. For project managers, LinkedIn is very important because it often shows your career history, endorsements, and professional network. For tip, make sure all your contact details are accurate and up to date. Even one small mistake here could cost you an opportunity. Professional summary. Next, we move to the professional summary. Here is the full sample. Results-driven project manager with over 7 years of experience leading cross-functional teams and delivering complex projects on time and within budget. Proven ability to manage multiple priorities, optimize workflows, and improve project outcomes through strategic planning and effective communication. Strong background in agile and waterfall methodologies with a track record of increasing efficiency and reducing costs. Now let's break this down so you know exactly what to write. The first sentence introduces the candidate, results-driven project manager with over 7 years of experience. This clearly tells the employer who you are and how experienced you are. Always start strong like this. The next part says, leading cross-functional teams and delivering complex projects on time and within budget. This shows responsibility and reliability, two key qualities employers look for. Then we have proven ability to manage multiple priorities, optimize workflows, and improve project outcomes. This highlights key skills like multitasking and efficiency. Finally, strong background in agile and waterfall methodologies with a track record of increasing efficiency and reducing costs. This shows technical knowledge and measurable results, which is very important. For tip, keep your summary around 3 to 4 sentences and make sure every sentence shows value. Core skills. Now let's look at the core skills section. Here is the full sample: project planning and execution, agile and scrum methodologies, risk management, budget management, team leadership, stakeholder communication, process improvement, time management, Microsoft Project and Asana, data analysis and reporting. This section gives a quick overview of what you can do. Notice how the skills are clear and easy to scan. Recruiters often look at this section first to see if you match the job requirements. For example, project planning and execution shows you can manage projects from start to finish. Risk management shows you can identify and handle problems. Stakeholder communication shows you can work with clients and leadership. For tip, always match your skills with the job description. Only include skills you truly have. Professional experience. Now we move to the most important section, professional experience. Let's start with the first role. Here is the full sample. Senior Project Manager. Technova Solutions, Austin, Texas. March 2021 to present. Led 10-plus large-scale IT and software development projects valued at over $2 million each. This is strong because it shows scale and responsibility. Numbers make your experience more impressive. Improved project delivery timelines by 25% through process optimization and agile implementation. This shows measurable success. Employers love to see real results like percentages. Managed cross-functional teams of up to 20 members. This highlights leadership and teamwork. Developed detailed project plans, schedules, and budgets. This shows planning and organizational skills. Communicated project updates and risks to senior stakeholders. This emphasizes communication, which is critical for project managers. Reduced project costs by 15%. Again, this shows impact and value. Now let's look at the second role. Project Manager. Blue Peak Consulting, Dallas, Texas. June 2018 to February 2021. Managed multiple client projects simultaneously. This shows multitasking ability. Coordinated with clients to define project scope. This highlights communication and planning. Increased client satisfaction ratings by 30%. This is a strong achievement with measurable results. Identified and mitigated risks. This shows problem-solving skills. Led weekly team meetings. This demonstrates leadership and organization. Now the third role. Assistant Project Manager. Metro Build Services, Houston, Texas. January 2016 to May 2018. Assisted in managing construction and infrastructure projects. This shows early experience. Tracked project progress and prepared reports. This highlights attention to detail. Coordinated schedules, resources, and documentation. This shows organization. Helped reduce project delays. Even as an assistant, showing impact is important. For tip, always use action verbs like lead, managed, improved, and include numbers whenever possible. Education. Now let's look at education. Here is the full sample. Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA, in Management. University of Texas at Austin. Graduated 2015. This section confirms your academic background. Keep it simple and clear. Include your degree, university, and graduation year. For tip, if you're experienced, keep this section short. Certifications. Next is certifications. Here is the full sample. Project Management Professional, PMP, PMI. Certified Scrum Master, CSM. These certifications are extremely valuable for project managers. PMP shows professional credibility, while CSM shows knowledge of agile practices. For tip, certifications can make you stand out, especially in competitive roles. Technical skills. Now let's look at technical skills. Here is the full sample. Microsoft Project, Jira, Asana, Trello, Microsoft Excel, and Power BI. These tools are commonly used in project management. They show that you can manage schedules, track progress, and analyze data. For tip, only include tools you're comfortable using. Key achievements. Next is key achievements. Here is the full sample. Successfully delivered a $3 million software implementation project 2 months ahead of schedule. This shows efficiency and strong leadership. Increased team productivity by 20% through workflow automation. This shows innovation and improvement. Recognized as Employee of the Year in 2022 at Technova Solutions. This adds credibility and recognition. This section helps you stand out beyond your daily responsibilities. So to recap, a strong project manager resume should start with clear and professional contact information. Include a powerful summary that highlights your experience. List key skills clearly and strategically. Show professional experience with measurable results. Include education and certifications. Highlight technical tools. Show achievements that prove your impact. Remember, your resume should clearly show that you can lead projects, manage teams, and deliver results successfully. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching writing tutorials.